Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to add a bio in the Truth Social app. Whether you are new to Truth Social or just updating your profile, this guide will help you set up a bio quickly and efficiently. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, click on the profile option to access your personal details. Once you are on the profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Then, look for the bio field. Here you can type a short description about yourself, your interests, or anything you want other users to know. Make sure to keep it clear and concise so it represents you well. Finally, after typing your bio, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your bio is now added and visible to everyone who visits your profile. You can always go back and edit it anytime if you want to make changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.